Okay, I am at the UEN.org website. I'm doing mathematics and I'm doing second grade. I'm going to focus on the domain number and 10, or number and operations in base 10, and understanding place value. I'm going to focus on number 2, counting within 1,000, and skip counting by 5s, 10s, and 100s. So I'm going to go to the virtual Manipulatives website. The address is up here. Let me go back 1 second. This is the home page. It's http://nlvm.usu.edu. And just a quick introduction to this website. You have different grades up here, and then over here you have different domains like number and operations, algebra, geometry, measurement, data analysis, and probability. And then within each of these boxes you have different activities that are appropriate for the domain as well as the age group. Since I'm doing number and operations and I'm doing second grade, I'm going to click right here and scroll down to this hundreds chart. Now this is a chart where students get to practice skip counting, or counting by 2s or 3s or 10s or whatever the case may be. So starting at 2, they will count every 2 blocks and click on the number. As students do this, they will begin to see a pattern. If students are wrong, the number highlights in red, and it won't change until students are able to click on the right number. Now you can clear the board and start over, or you can clear the board and click the up or down arrows and have students count by 10s. You can have the numbers start at 1 or wherever you would like. So I'm going to have the number start at 4, and so ideally the student would have to count 10 blocks. If they were to just go immediately to 10, they would be able to see that that is a wrong number. So I just want to go over some benefits of this website. First of all, the students get to visually see patterns that develop when counting, skip counting by 5s and 10s and 2s, and that will help deepen their understanding as well as maybe recognize the patterns and create shortcuts that will help them remember. Also, this is a great website because students get to receive immediate feedback on whether or not they were correct, and it gives them a lot of practice, and it creates a risk-free environment by allowing them to, if they mess up, they can start over and they can quickly correct themselves. Ideally, in the classroom, I would like to have students have their own laptop, or working in pairs of 2 to 3 would work as well. And I would give them a prompt and have them count by 10s or 2s or whatever the case may be, and then also have them color in the patterns that they see on the chart once they have finished, and then they can just compare the different patterns when they're doing different skip countings, and just as another way to reinforce these concepts that are being taught.